Hello, what's up my people? How una dey? So today I don't carry another better update carry come. Today I want make you talk about this particular update wey they call Payroute. Now I've been gone few weeks ago. I can't do video about this particular update, and I talk say I don't start to the use them again. Say if I see small thing or if I observe I see the thing makes sense, I go still con share my opinion. By the way, for those of you now we know that update wey they call FB999, I just want to let you know say I don't reach 5M for that particular update. I don't reach 5M, so I dey very happy. That update wey they call Gem Gala, and some people don't they complain one or two. I still they observe them, but even with that, I be don't come on something 2 times from that particular update. So I just say make I tell you now for those of you now we go like no. Okay, now if you see me for the first time, my name is Solomon. If I use update and the thing they work out, I go just come here and talk about them. So if you want to call a better update for my side, make sure you like the video, share the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that if I drop new update, they go notify you, and now you go be the first person to check them out. And make you not forget comment where they watch this video from for comment section. Make you know say this one no be tutorial, this one a review with me I call you to come drop. You understand? And so you say if you get your own opinion, no mean say you go take my opinion. You understand? My opinion I conscious. So you get your own opinion. And this one na educational, no be tutorial, no be financial advice. This one no be tutorial. This one a review. If you be person we like tutorial, any update work on you can talk about, I don't do the tutorial, drop for my Seeding account. So if you follow me for my Seeding account, or make sure you go check out my Seeding account, you could see some of my tutorials them there. Just go follow me there, and my handle be this. We won't talk about this update within the call Payroute. For the sake of the new people, we go talk about within the Payroute, how Payroute they work. We go talk about their pros and cons. I go share my opinion. If I don't collect, I never collect, then I go drop my ratings from 1 to 10. Make sure say you say if you prepare your ratings, or start now, make you they drop your own ratings for comment section. Alright, so the yapping don't do too much. Payroute na this particular update we come a contact say saying people then feel they use the update though, say they go they collect small thing online where we get PTC work, then get GPT work. This PTC means paid to click, where they fit us say make you go check and watch ads, make you go do this one, make you go read article, make you go do this one, do that one. They say they go they give you small thing. Now PTC that. Then get GPT. GPT means get paid to. This get paid to means say they feel say make you go download apps, play those games, do some kind things like that. And they say they go they give you small thing. So now what thing when they all about be that, and they get a lot of other things where then also if you do for the platform, then get offer wars, different offer wars. That the offer wars come with surveys and so many other things like that. Where then also if you do for this platform, make it they collect every single day. Now how real is this? First of all, personally for me, I don't they use this update since 2022. I no can they use them for like 8 months. So because of that, they can't ban my account. According to them, they say their account not deactive. But waiting pain me be say I've been get some more something inside the account when they come ban. So I can't recreate another account. I can't start again from scratch. How will this Payroute the work? How will they Payroute the work? First of all, according to them, they thought say before you join their updates, you go give some more thing. If you use the platform for free, but they give you access to some other tools or some other features, they thought say you need to put small thing for the platform, which means if you no put small thing for the platform, they no go give you some premium offers with the for the update. Now waiting we then talk be that. Okay, now waiting be my opinion about this platform. Now Payroute, it makes sense, sure. It makes sense for people who be say they just want to do 1 or 2 online work, made and they call it every single day. It makes sense. Personally, for me, I come on something 2 times from this particular platform few weeks ago, and currently now I still get some something inside my wallet where be say I still call it carry whole body for now. Okay, and it makes sense. And my own opinion be that, but then get their own pros and cons. I go try list some of their pros and their cons. First pro be say it makes sense where it is very easy to understand. I say pro be say they get plenty features for the platform. They feature plenty where now the third pro be say they get the affiliate program, maybe say if you join their contest make it they collect. And the next pro be say they get active customer service, where be say if you contact them if you get any issues and then go help you out. Another pro can be say if you come on your small thing for the platform, if you come out to your local account directly, so no need for you to worry yourself. If you come on your small thing to your local account, maybe your OPay or your PalmPay. Another thing can be say their minimum withdrawal threshold for this particular platform, they small, you understand, not too big like that. If you get, I think around maybe 100 naira or 500 naira safe. If you get up to 100 naira or up to 500 naira, if you come out your small thing from this particular platform. Now, what be some of the cons or some of the things with me I don't like about this platform? Number one, they get premium offer. If they use the platform for free, you know, if you access this their premium offers. Another thing I don't like be say some of the rewards where you go they collect from this their work where they do for the platform, you know, plenty. If you know they do offer awards, you know they do the affiliate program, the rewards where you go they collect for their watching of videos, for their article reading and all those other ones, you know, go plenty. Some of the cons now can be say if you know put some thing for the platform, now be say you know get some of the premium work then where they available. Like I said before, I don't collect my small thing 2 times and I still get some small thing for their wallet. Now one of the best things I like about them is the affiliate program, because then they get some of the affiliate contest every day and the rest. But don't be the platform where go fit make you blow overnight. But now platform will be say if you be student, it's just one they do small side, or so they collect small thing if you check them out. Okay, now I don't do the tutorial draw for my student account. Make sure you go check them out. If I want to rate this platform from 1 to 10, I go give them 7/10. I'm gonna give them 7/10 based on how I don't use them, because I don't collect small thing and I don't use them since 2022. Even though these people didn't do me strong thing, then come on my account. But even with that, I will give them 7/10. So wait till you go rate this platform. Tell me what you go rate them for comment section. Now make una not forget I talk about Gem Gala earlier. See Gem Gala, some people thought say they can get point, but they know if you convert their point to gem. Okay, some people talk like that, say their point and they green convert. So what you go do be say just try make you contact their customer service, make you see if they go feed run them for you. Okay, you understand? Or just give them some time to update. Sometimes a network issue, sometimes go update after like 24 hours. If you know update, it means there is a problem. Check whether the app now the latest version, make you update them, things like that. I just say make I answer that question for this particular video. So Payroute, yeah, Payroute. Now the way makes sense, yeah. It makes sense for now. But if it change later, me I dey here to update to now. If you see something we go feed do, tell me for comment section. But if you get any other update we go like, make I review them or make I talk about them, just drop them for comment section. Make you not forget to join my student account. Follow me for my student account, because now they drop tutorial. Follow me there so that if I drop new tutorial, then go notify you and you could be the first person to check them out. I'm gonna see you now for my next video, and bye for now.